The business of viral content creation is not only about understanding strategy, it's also about creativity and thinking outside of the box. Faculty in the Digital Communication Arts program at Oregon State University understand the value of implementing innovative and entrepreneurial strategies for the production and dissemination of content for digital media use. Earning your micro-credential in the business of viral content creation will help you to strategically gather, analyze, and produce content with the intention of growing your own content creation plan. Through 3 new media communication courses designed to facilitate the production, analysis, and implementation of a content creation, this 9-credit micro-credential dives into topics such as the fundamentals of gathering, evaluating, and writing content for digital media publication in the NMC 301 Writing for the Media course, identifying and experimenting with the culture, social, and psychological trends in viral content creation in the NMC 418 Viral Content class, and develop an entrepreneurial process that includes a focus on law, finance, accounting, organizational structure, budgeting, and a business plan as it relates to new media enterprises in the NMC 441 Media Entrepreneurship course. We in the DCA program look forward to working with you and helping you see your content creation vision turn into a reality.